Hello guys, and welcome to your Spanish course, Learning Spanish from Zero with your Spanish teacher, Domingo. Let's start. At the end of this video, you will be able to do the following. Understand different combination of vowels in Spanish, hear and read vowels perfectly in every sentence in Spanish. Spanish pronunciation, la pronunciación del español. Unlike English, Spanish has only 5 vowels. Vowels can form syllables by themselves, combining one another, and also they can form syllables in combination with the rest 27 consonants of the Spanish alphabet. And we're going to see this case one by one, where vowels combine themselves to form new syllables. Let's see. Again, remember that the Spanish vowels pronunciation is this: A, E, I, O, U. Let's repeat it. A, E, I, O, U. Very good. You did a great job. Vowels can combine themselves, forming what is called in English diphthongs, diphtongos in Spanish, and it can be the combination of the following vowels: au, ei, eu, oi, ou, ya, ye, yo, wa, we, wo. Let's pronounce the following words containing diphthongs: Laura, peine, Europa, oigo, Lourdes. This is a special case because that word comes from France, I guess. Piano, pieza, piojo, agua. So you say wa, agua, hueso, individuo. Another combination of vowels is called hiatus, hiato, and we can find it in the following vowels: au, ia, uo, io, ei, oe, ea, eo, ao, oe, oo, e, a, o, yo. It's very important to pay attention to accentuation in Spanish. Why? Because we would see the absent marks in certain syllables, and that is where we pronounce stronger. However, there are some rules that you must learn in order to know where to pronounce stronger in Spanish. That is something that I will teach you later in advanced classes. Let's start pronouncing the following words: Raúl iría, acentúo, río, poeta, teatro, eólico, caoba, zoólogo, creer, individuo, Isaac, antiinflamatorio, cooperar, roedor, cafeína. Another combination in Spanish is called triphtongos, and it is the combination of 3 vowels. Let's pronounce the following triphtongos: EA, Y, way, EA, Y, EI, wow, way, yow, ai, yoi, wow, why, yell. Now let's pronounce the following words. Vieira, averiguáis, adecuéis, estudiéis, Paraguay, semiautomático, limpiáis, wow, buey, biauricular, seáis, bioinformática, guaura, actuáis, huaico, aliéutica. Thank you so much for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell, comments, and share it with your friends and acquaintances. Thank you.